I don't know, because they are used here. They're used here. Don't play for something important. Yeah. And they don't play. They don't want to play under pressure. They don't want to play under stress. Yeah, it's easy in this way. And Tottenham story is this: 20 years that there is the owner and never won something. But why? Only for the fault is only for the club or for every manager that stay here. And I have seen the manager that Tottenham.
Okay, F him. F Conte, and yes, I said it. Anyway, welcome to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium Tour. Like an Arsenal Stadium Tour, the tour start from the shop, and then this guy here just told me that I'm not allowed to film inside the shop, so I had to put my equipment away. After payment, I have to come and chill this side. I can call it a waiting section. That's where you see a lot of clips, Spurs glory days. Yeah, so quite nice. After that wonderful intro on the big screen and stuff, you take a walk down this passage. Anyways, myself, oh, here I am. Hi guys, I made it. Okay, fine, let's move on. We are going to start a tour now. Let me tell you this: if you come to this side of the stadium, or when you are starting a tour and you have to listen to this guy speak about how beautiful this stadium is, the history of the Spurs, and all those kind of stuff, if you're Arsenal fan, West Ham fan, or Chelsea fan, by the time this guy is done talking, you will be a Spurs fan. At least that's what I felt. But I knew deep down within me that North London is right. Anyway, let's continue.
20th century to do the double. That is where you win the league title and the FA Cup in the same season. And of course, that was achieved by the great Bill Nicholson, our most successful ever manager. And of course, I mentioned 1961 as we won the league title. Let's go forward 40 years, 1961. We were the first team in the 20th century to do the double. That is where you win the league title and the FA Cup in the same season. And of course, that was achieved by the great.
Thank you. So I want you guys to enjoy the tour without my annoying voice. Honestly, I'll just plug in some soft music and you guys just enjoy the whole tour. I'll come back now and then, just to ask you guys to don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know the drill anyway. But yeah, for a second I forgot that I'm in a stadium. I thought I'm in a hotel. So beautiful, very beautiful. I don't really know. I even lack words to describe the whole thing. But anyway, just enjoy it, and you'll hear from me later when I ask you guys to subscribe or something like that. Anyway, ciao. Wait for it. And away dressing room, and look at that, the second shirt, Arsenal. I was so happy to see the Chelsea there. But anyway, yeah, let me disappear for now. I honestly lack words to describe the dressing room. It's really beautiful, and then the crew here was very much helpful. They can take your pictures, but the sound in this room, the sound, it can bring that atmosphere from the pitch. But anyway, let me keep quiet. Just listen to this.
So within the dressing room, the focus was on kind of the team ethos, and I think that's something you can kind of feel. You feel the closeness of the. So all of those things are just trying to create the optimum environment for the manager to pass the information to the players, and then for them to feel like the collective team spirit.
It's down to us. We decide where players sit. So in the dressing room, normally you have the two goalkeepers either side, and then you'll work around. We try and keep the defenders, the midfield players, and the forwards. That's what we try and do. You've got Harry, who likes to sit central in the dressing room, so you walk in, he's in the middle. Some of the defenders who are specific seats, so I might move Pierre Hoiberg one seat extra without even realising he'll come in and say, "Well, we move." So we have to be making sure the players, once we've set the dressing room up, that is it. So we'd all get in the huddle, and the club captain, i.e. Hugo or Harry, whoever's captain on the day, they would do a little speech to the team and start to motivate everyone, and then go out.
The actual changes, I guess in some ways it's hard to describe, but just the feeling is now it's business time, and we need to go out there. Everything is just focused on the game, so everyone can now
Okay, this is pretty decent. Everything in this stadium, everything looks posh. Everything, the kettle, the pots, everything. And I do believe that even the chef, everything looks posh. But anyway, if you can just take a look at this side where I'm going, I do believe that after thrashing Man U 2-0, the team came and relaxed this side. Because, you know what, I'm sure they were talking all about the goals, the assists, the celebrations and stuff. But yeah, beautiful stadium overall. Yeah, just continue the tour with me. Can I ask? I'm not a fan of NFL, but do they use the same locker room?
As in,
NFL.
okay,
So
what's the question?
that was a home team, right? The
Away
locker
team.
room. Away team.
Yeah.
And the home team?
And then we have a home team, like a locker room, and that's on the east side.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And we don't have like a franchise team, so every year we have different teams come around the America.
Oh,
So every year we change the teams.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So here, if you like it, we can take a picture of you with a camera from there. And if you don't want to, you can just keep going straight ahead. And onto your hand side, you go into the M cafe and get some drinks or food if you want. Okay?
Okay. But can you take it before?
Can I take on your phone? Just give it 2 minutes after these guys are gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
바지 조작 차라리.
Oh. Okay, I'm from South Africa, by the way.
Okay,
Where Stephen Pienaar was.
what part of South Africa?
It's just South Africa, just.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm Caribbean, St. Lucia.
Caribbean. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
That's a preview of the conversation you get to. Go back.
I came across this wall down the passage. I was trying to spot South African players who played for Spurs. I saw Mapizela there. And then I know there are few, I really know them when I see the names, But yeah, but now I was searching for Stephen Pienaar. I think I was in the wrong section of the wall. I don't know. Let me go down and see. I tried. But anyway, it was funny to see Walker's name there. And I think Stephen Pienaar was somewhere there around 2010. I'm not so sure. I'm not really clued up with space history. But yeah, seeing some of the names that I know here, it was like kind of like cool, There was Luongo, whoever it is. But anyway, yeah, I just couldn't really see any other name, more especially South African names. And I think when you come this side, that's the end of the tour. So if you let the crew, there are professional pictures that you can take throughout the tour, and then that's where you come this side, and then they'll ask you if you need those pictures, and they asked me, to which I said yes. And then they said, okay, fine, come this side. I went aside, saw my pictures, but at the end of the day, I was issued with an invoice, which is fair, because these are professional pictures, but my budget, guys, did not allow me. But anyway, put that aside, and that was the end of the tour. And then you have to exit through the shop again, and I have to remember to not film or take videos inside the shop, so I had to put my equipment away and just walk out. this is my first stadium tour. I do intend to do more, so I'm very much open to tips, guidance, advice. When I go to my next stadium tour, what is it that I should look out for, what information you may need. But for now, oh, that's me there. Jeez. Anyway, that's all from me. That's all from this channel. See you on the next video. Yeah, ciao.